Alright, welcome back to Tech Expert Reviews and Unboxings. Today, I unbox this ORDRO 4K video camera. Let's get to it. First off, before I unbox this camera, just take a good look at this box. This is a monstrous box. Huge. Huge, huge, huge box. Now, thankfully, it's really easy to open. Just lift it up like that. And immediately, you see the owner's manual for this 4K video camera. It just goes through all the specs, all the information. The table of contents, which is ginormously long. Right off the bat, you get a lot of goodies with this. This is actually a really, really good professional camera. You get your lens hood, like so. You get your ultra-wide lens, just like so. You get your remote. You got your focus, your pause button, your camera, your video camera button, your shoot camera button, and all sorts of buttons on this remote. Really, 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 really awesome, cool, and nice. But wait, that's not all. You get a bunch of other goodies in this box. You get your external mic. Your battery. Oops. Your SD card, which is already in the camera. Your second battery. Your power block from hooking this up to an outlet to charge. You get your USB cable, again, like I said, to connect this to the block to then charge your camera. You get your HDMI cable. You get your mini USB card reader that supports up to a lot of cards, by the way. You get your clip. You get this bad boy right here. Nice. And another USB cable. And again, like I said, your external microphone. You also get the star of the video, the camera itself. And what a camera it is. Got your nice lens cap right there that's got a 4K on it. That's a nice touch. You got your DVC, digital video camera logo right there. Slot where you put your battery, your record button. You got your mode button right there. You got your picture button right there for taking pictures. Your focus. Your hot shoe. Right there. You got your ORDRO logo right here. 4K. You got IPS, you got Wi-Fi, and you also got night vision. 48 megapixel on this camera. Very nice. To put the battery, you just make sure that this is in line with that. Just put it in there just like so. Boom. And you're on. On the bottom, you got your memory card slot right here. And again, you got your 32 gigabyte card right there. Slip that back in there like that. And to take the battery off, you just press down right here. And the battery comes right straight off. The video quality of this camera is absolutely top notch. I mean super clear, crystal clear, sharp video resolution image. Right now I currently got it on 1080p, 30 frames per second, but you can also film in 4K. Let's take a look right here. Take a closer look at this. There you go. You got your up and down button. Your HDMI port right here. Your mic. Your mini USB cable port. For this cable right here, goes into that right there. Awesome, awesome. You got your power button, your OK button, and your menu / Wi-Fi button right there. Let's go through the menu right quick. Can y'all see that? You got your movie size. It doesn't say video resolution, it says video size. And for that, you got 720p, 30 frames per second. 720p 60 frames per second, 1080p 30 frames per second, 1080p 60 frames per second, 2.7K 30 frames per second, 4K 24 frames per second. And again, I'm shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second. You also got movie stabilization, loop recording, color filter, sharpness, white balance, ISO, exposure, metering, scene, WDR, motion detection, record audio, date and time stamp, and lastly, time lapse. Let's check out the wide angle lens. Nice, large, big lens cap. Nice and nice. Not too bad. Alright, filming outside in 1080p 30 frames per second. Just look how clear, how sharp that picture is. When you focus in real tight, it gets a little distorted, a little blurry, but not too bad. My only thing is when you focus in, it goes really, really fast. There's no way of really controlling that, and that's unfortunate. But that's just a small little detail that can be overlooked. The overall performance of this camera is absolutely outstanding. Here I am filming inside now in my apartment, and as you can see, the picture is nice, clear, crisp, super clear, crystal clear, and sharp. You cannot beat that right now. And the audio that you're hearing is not from the external mic, because I don't have that hooked up to the camera as of yet, but you're hearing my voice from the built-in microphone in this camera right now. And here in a split second, I'm going to go from the built-in mic to the external mic. I'm going to do that right now. And here I am recording with the external mic connected to the camera right now. And this is what my voice currently sounds like using the external mic connected to this camera. Okay, with the external mic disconnected to the camera, I am now using the angle wide lens. And this is what the picture looks like using the angle wide lens from the inside. Now let's check it out from the outside. Alright, filming outside using the angle wide lens. Just look at that super sharp, crystal clear image, but a little extra wide. Still filming in 1080p 30 frames per second. And here is using the night vision feature on this camera. You're still using the angle wide lens, and you can kind of see the shadow of that right now. Kind of cool, huh? And here is night vision without the extra wide lens connected to the camera. Man, what a difference that makes. Dude, wow. That is like, woo! Wow. This 4K camera camcorder advances the newest upgraded Sony image sensor, high sensitivity CMOS sensor from Japan's famous supplier, which helps to deliver up to 16 times digital zoom, 48 megapixel crystal clear image, and 4K sharp smooth video footage. Mac supports 4K 30 frames per second MP4 video resolution and 48 megabytes JPEG image resolution. Alright guys, that will do it for today's video. If this video was helpful and informative to you, and if it ignited the fire from within you to be the absolute greatest and the best content creator that you can ever be, and that no one has ever seen, felt, or experienced before, come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Yeah. Like this video if it was helpful and informative, and if this was not helpful or informative for you, let me know. I'm always eager and willing to learn and to improve, always. And of course, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Why are you waiting? Stop hesitating. Stop procrastinating. Subscribe right now. I'm telling you, tech expert reviews and unboxings cannot and will not survive. Cannot and will not thrive without you. 100%. Click on that notification bell so you do not miss another video uploaded every single Monday night at 6 p.m. Alright. You guys be good. You be good at it. You be phenomenal. You be the best you that you could ever be. And remember, you hold the key to your own success. Woohoo, yeah! And that is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Hallelujah. Help you, God. Until next time, I'll catch you later.